Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Always Improving Garage. In this one we're going to be talking about testing your brake fluid. So I got this neat little tool here, it's from King Bolin brake fluid tester. It's currently going for about $24 on Amazon at the time of making this video. It does not come with batteries. You're going to need two AAAs. I just left the cover off for now so you can see that. It does not come with batteries. Alright, so we're going to turn this on. I'm just going to go over some of the features real quick. So right here, there's actually a backlight for the display. And then right here, there's a light on the end. And then when you press menu, it doesn't really bring up a menu. It just changes the brake fluid type you're testing for right there. So you can see now we're on dot 4. Press it again, dot 5. Press it again, and back to dot 3 like most cars have. Okay, so I'm going to get a tripod set up, and I'm going to show you guys this tool being used. Okay, so we're going to give this brake fluid tester a try. We got it set to dot 3. That's what this car takes. So let's see what we got. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. The line is right here, which is just right below where it has the caution that the brake fluid needs to be changed. That's about what I expected on this car. Glad I tested it. So I'm going to go ahead and get the fluid changed out on this one. Okay, back again. So the reason you guys need to do this is because brake fluid, if you didn't know it, absorbs moisture. And this is something that happens very slowly over time. Now, I'm sure a lot of you will be thinking right away, well, it doesn't make any sense. Isn't the brake system sealed? Well, it is, but it isn't to the point that no air, and I'm talking very tiny amounts, and this is something that happens over time, actually does get into the system. So I'm not going to get into the exact reason why that is, because I know it'll just spark a bunch of debate, but there's a reason they have these brake fluid testers. So it's a good idea to check your brake fluid, change it out if needed. Definitely don't want a bunch of moisture in the system. That'll just lead to components getting rusted out, and that'll cost a lot more than if you just changed out your brake fluid. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, thanks for watching.